process documentation is important to prove the success of a sterilization program. A MELAG CF card and 2 network interfaces are available for log output. Documentation with a network cable allows the automatic output of the recorded logs on your computer or server. The CF card is preset as the output medium. The slot is located on the right-hand side of the display. When inserting the card, please make sure that the MELAG logo points forwards. If the CF card is inserted correctly, a blue square will illuminate in the upper corner of the display. We recommend outputting the CF card on a monthly basis for data backup purposes. You can use a card reader to access the CF card and open the logs via computer. When opening the log files for the first time, you must choose a conventionally available word processing program, such as Microsoft Word or Notepad. The opened logs provide detailed information about the process parameters and the batch approval. Learn in our next video how to perform the routine checks of the steam sterilizer.